Welcome back to Lotus Design Studio. We are going to do another Resin Molds Express. We are going to do the Twisted Elephant trunk. It's a vase. There is a tube. Let's see if you can see that. There's that tube. You need to make sure that's put in there, otherwise you won't have a hole in for the top of your vase. So just make sure it's pressed down in there, in that circle really well. We are going to do phthalo green and black. So here is for the black. And then phthalo green. Almost out of my phthalo green. And mix this up. I don't know how much this takes because the milliliters are messed up and I don't know which goes with which. So I have 3 ounces, about 3 ounces in each cup. We'll see how close I am. I do have extra resin sitting over here because I'm also going to do another project. But we will see how close. I'm thinking it probably takes 8. I have 6 between these 2 cups, so I said I might have to add some. There we go. Just gonna let it sit and see if any powder rises up for a second while I mix this black really well. Okay, that one's looking good. This is Craftor 1:1. Yeah, let's see. We're just gonna start pouring. Yeah, I think this takes more than 6. Don't squish it too much to pull that tube out of there, but side of this wiped off. It's a very squishy mold, so ounces in here. Just gonna mix in what's left in the phthalo green in the cup. Same thing with the black. This one takes a lot more than I thought. I may have to make up more for my other project. Definitely gonna need to make up more for my other project. I think this actually takes like 11 ounces. I'm looking at what I have left over there. Yep, you're looking at like 11 ounces for this one. So if you have this one, know that you need to make up 11 ounces. I'm going to set this off to the side, and we'll be back when we demold this. See you soon. Welcome back. Let's demold this. See, we've got the elephant trunk, vase. These are all Resin Molds Express. Ella. Who is also one of the people that is giving away a prize, or allowing me to give away a prize. Okay. There it is. This was done with the black and the phthalo green. I ended up doing 2 of the molds for this month because I had extra resin, so I poured it into the soap dish. Let me get this mold turned back. And then I gotta get that centerpiece out. There we go. Okay. Mold turned back. Now we gotta get this. This is what gives you the hole for the base. Let me see if I can get something down in there. Some alcohol. Okay, here we go. We are going to, where is my, oh. I'll see if I can pull it out, if I can get a hold of it better with some. There we go. That's what it took. Bring out the tools. So here it is. It's got that phthalo green and that black. You do need to take that edge down. A little bit more. There we go. So there is our vase. I like it. It's very pretty. Great mold. All right, so there's number 1. Number 2 is I ended up doing the soap dish mold, so that with extra resin. So this is gonna be like 3 different colors. There we go. It does have the spout to go on your sink, so that the water drains from your soap. You do need to take this edge off. It's still a little soft on those edges yet, so I will do it once it is hardened up nice. there's your soap dish. I like that. You can see I had 3 colors. Had the white left over, had put some color of blue of some kind in there, and then threw in a chameleon of another clear. So there we go. There are those 2. So I will see you guys in the next one. In the meantime, like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that black bell so that you know the next time I upload a new video. And don't forget about all the discount codes in the description box below. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.